I hereby declare Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta and Mr. William Samoei Ruto as President-elect and Deputy President-elect respectively.
Thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka kwanirira moimirira ma githurano gia gucokerwo hari giturwa kia mutongoria wa bururi, Eroreri a githurano wa urumwe wa Afrika niyo AU ni monanitie kuiganira na mutaratara uria kamiti ya IEBC irakorirwo ikihuthira utafeni-ini wa githurano kia upresident kuria makinyiriirie kirari na waragania. Kionereria gia kuonania uigirereku wa githurano kiu mbere ni uhinguri wa ceceni cia wikiria wa kura iria irahingũrirwo mathaa-inĩ marĩa magĩrĩire, mũtaratara wa ũcuki wa mĩtĩ kũhingwo gwa ceceni icio hamwe na ũtari wa kura thengia ya gũkorwo arũgamĩrĩri a ngwatanĩro ya NASA matinekinyia gũgĩthũrima.
All party agents who were present at the counts consented and signed the results before the Form 34A was transmitted electronically to the constituency tally center, and a copy was posted outside the station by the presiding officers.
Ona kuri uguo muikariri giti wa Eroreri acio Thambo Mbeki ni urotete gahiha iria iracungiriirio ni ateti amwe makiria kaunti-ini cia ruguru rwa bururi gukorwo ire muhinga munene uri urarigiriria Kenya icigo-ini icio kwaga kunyita itemi githurano-ini kiu mahitia macio magicokererio magavana aria manyitaga mbaru NASA.
If anybody has any problems with regard to this fresh presidential election of the 26th of October, please let's go back to the courts and raise whatever concerns.
Riboti ino ya EU yukite oriri gikundi kia ataaramu guku bururi-ini gitongoretio ni Ababu na Mwamba kirenda mwandikithia wa ciama cia kiuteti gukanjira ngwatanĩro ya NASA marua niguo matige kwihocia uteti-ini thutha wao gukorwo magiciarithania NASA na gikundi kia uregani gitetekiritio kiwatho.
Vyama hivi haswa ODM, Ford Kenya na Wiper Democratic Party vimetangaza kupitia kwa NASA kuundwa kwa gengi ama militia ambayo inaleta what we call in English resistance movement.
The council has initiated a project that we hope can lead to a change in our legal framework that would make voting both a constitutional right and a civic obligation.
Oho kiama kia makanitha kia NCCK nikigathiriirie kamiti ya IEBC ni wira uria irakorirwo ikiruta wa kunyabara githurano makiuga ni marateire watho. Oho ni moigite uria utaiganiire na moimirira ma githurano kiu akorwo akirumirira watho ta uria gatiba yendekithitie.
We recommend that Kenyans through Parliament amend the Constitution of Kenya 2010 to provide for an expansion of the executive to provide for the president to appoint a prime minister and 2 deputies as part of the executive of the winning party or coalition. The prime minister and deputy prime ministers will sit on the cabinet and may answer questions in parliament.
Ariri maitho mothe merekerio igoti-ini ria Supreme kuona kana kwi mundu ngothie gutetia uhotani wa President Kenyatta. Athurimi a githurano kiu kuuma ngwatanĩro ya Afrika nimagathiriirie kamiti ya IEBC kumana na uria irakorirwo ikinyabara githurano kiu ritana riao riri kuri ya Kenya guthingatithia thayo na guikarania na urumwe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Maina Kihumo.